Maybe before I even get there, what is also important is for one to understand the flow of money. So how money comes into a business and how that money flows into a business. And I think to demonstrate that, the idea will be to show you how a basic income statement works. So a basic income statement will look something of this sort. So number one, you've got the revenue. The revenue. From the revenue, you will subtract what is referred to as cost of sales. These are cost of production. Then what you are left with here is what is referred to as gross income. Gross income. From the gross income, what you want to subtract will be your operational expenses. These are expenses responsible for the operation of the business itself. You need to subtract those. These things here would be made up of things such as marketing. These would be salaries. These would be rent, if there is. These are the expenses that you pay or that you incur to run the business. What you are left after doing this is what we refer to as net operating income, also referred to as EBIT, earnings before interest and taxes, but it can also include two more things, which is depreciation and amortization. In real estate, there definitely will be depreciation, which is the wear out of the asset. Number 5, once you have taken out the net operating income, but also just to give you an idea, the net operating income gives you an idea of whether the business is able to generate any income from operations. This thing here will either be positive or negative. If it's positive, it means the business is able to generate some income from operations, and if it's negative, it means the business is not able to do so. Number 6, we said this is earnings before interest and taxes. You then want to subtract the interest expense. What you are left with is what is referred to as EBT, earnings before taxes. Subtract the tax expense. What you are left with is net profit after tax, also referred to as net income. Now in business, you at other times will pay dividends. If you do pay dividends, then what you will be left with is what is referred to as retained income. This is money that is put back into the business to grow it. This is a basic income statement. Sleeping for the rich, see me with my click. Money on my mind, grinding till I down, make my mama proud.